In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SignNow, an incredible tool that makes document management a breeze. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, SignNow allows you to upload, edit, send, and sign documents effortlessly. It's a cloud-based platform that provides legally binding e-signatures and is compliant with both the US e-Sign Act and EU regulations. Plus, it's compatible across a range of devices including iOS, Android, and web platforms. Let's dive right into the process, starting with uploading your document. On the web dashboard, you'll notice an option that says Upload Documents, or perhaps Start Uploading Documents Now. Clicking this will open a prompt allowing you to select a file from your device. SignNow supports various file types such as PDFs and Word documents, so you'll have some flexibility there. Once your document is uploaded, the next step is to prepare it for signing and editing. You'll do this by clicking on Prepare and Send, or something similar that you'll see on screen. This is where the real magic happens, as it transforms your static document into an interactive one. In this preparation phase, you'll add fillable fields to the document. Look to the left sidebar, where you'll find an array of tools like signature, date/time, and text fields. Drag and drop these elements into your document where necessary. This is a simple but effective way to specify exactly where each recipient needs to input information. An essential feature here is the ability to assign roles to these fields. For example, you can specify that recipient A is expected to sign at one location, while recipient B should fill in a date at another. SignNow makes it easy to visualize these assignments by color-coding different signers, which helps in keeping things organized and clear. Now, once you've placed and assigned all the necessary fields, the next step is to save your work. By clicking Save and Close, you effectively secure all your modifications. This action will return you either to your document list or set you up for sending the document out to recipients. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using SignNow. It empowers you to handle documents more efficiently and securely, no matter where you are. Remember, these steps are designed to save you time and hassle, ensuring that your documents are easy to manage while remaining legally sound. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you feel more equipped to navigate and utilize SignNow in your daily workflow. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and feel free to drop any questions or comments below.